This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to record phone calls on your Google Pixel phone. So if you just go on over to the phone option right here and tap this, then go to the three lines in the top left and go to settings. There should be an option here to record phone calls. It says call recording right here. This just comes default on my phone. And if you have Samsung or anything like that, it should still have this option on here. So you can see turn on call recordings. Adds to record call. Okay, so asks to record calls. So you have the option right here. Just make sure this is turned on. Automatically record calls with non-contacts. So we can just always record. And then automatically record calls with these specific numbers. Looks like I have some pending files to download, so I can try tapping that on the top too. So just turn it on under here, and you should be able to see your phone calls. Now it looks like they never delete, so you can go to this option and you can automatically delete them after like 30 days if you want. And you should be able to find the recordings in there. If not, we can just swipe up. And I think they make a category or a folder in files. So if I swipe up now, just type in files right here and go to files. We should be able to find it maybe like under audio right here, see if there's any recordings. Otherwise, if we scroll on down to the internal storage, there should be a recordings folder in here. Recordings. So, looks like I don't have any phone calls recorded, but you should be able to find them in there too if you can't find them in other places. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.